not just any Ram.
There was a FRS on PRZ. That was perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was pretty cool.
But they're not the same thing, but they are. They are the same thing. Sometimes. Did you get busted in the face by a Hellcat? Good God. Wheels look real good too. Man, it's in good shape. Oh, dude.
I take it out there.
That.
Right. Oh, yeah, yeah. Yeah, they got it on the side of it, too. But yeah, I was telling him, AC works, everything.
Yeah, oh, that's amazing.
And it's still like me. Like, it's not a brand new car, but I know that.
Yeah. But dude, that interior is in good shape. Dude, it looks nice.
I
really
did a
does.
quick spray on it before I brought it. I think it's the back or what?
That's a factory Hellcat intercooler? Nuts.
So, he bought that out of, I think it was like something that got rear-ended or something.
Yeah.
On a crate, transmission, the engine, literally everything still bolted to it, everything.
Nice.
I think it was like 20 good a day. Literally me and him and one other guy.
No, I have the MRT Spider.
Oh.
Yeah.